Welcome to Devi Chilli Powder Suppliers, your ultimate destination for premium quality chili powders. Located in the heart of Hyderabad, the spice hub of India, we take pride in offering an extensive range of chili powders that cater to diverse culinary needs. At Devi Chilli Powder Suppliers, we blend traditional expertise with modern technology to deliver the finest quality chili powders. Our state of the art manufacturing facility ensures stringent quality control at every stage of production. From fiery hot to mild and flavorful, we supply various types of chili powders meticulously processed to retain their natural aroma and heat. Whether it is the piquant Baidgi, the vibrant Kashmiri, or the intense Guntur chilies, we have it all. But what sets us apart is our team of experienced professionals who are passionate about delivering excellence. We understand the importance of purity and freshness, ensuring that our chili powders reach you with uncompromised quality. Behind every packet of spice lies the dedication of our skilled team. Their expertise and commitment to excellence guarantee that you receive the freshest, most flavorful chili powders sealed for maximum potency. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers rave about the rich flavors and consistent quality of our products. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Our customers' satisfaction fuels our passion. From chefs crafting culinary masterpieces to homemakers adding just to family recipes, our spices have earned acclaim for their purity and potency. Experience the authenticity and richness of Indian spices with Devi Chilli Powder Suppliers. Contact us today and spice up your culinary delights with our premium range of chili powders. Devi Chilli Powder Suppliers, where quality meets flavor. Our contact number is 8985 811 875. Our mail address is ptcmarketers@gmail.com. Enjoy competitive pricing without compromising on quality. We offer attractive margins for our partners, dealers, and marketers, ensuring mutually beneficial relationships and profitability. We provide tailored support, prompt services, and personalized solutions to meet your specific business needs. Our team stands ready to assist at every step. Stay ahead in the market with our continuous innovation and product development efforts. Benefit from new offerings, packaging, and marketing trends, ensuring a competitive edge. Join the Devi Chilli Powder Suppliers family and experience the synergy of quality, growth, and trust. Partnering with us opens a world of opportunities, unparalleled quality, and shared success.